Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Monday, the 4th of May. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. So, we've got sunny skies. It's a little breezy. The fire danger's elevated. Last night around 7 o'clock, a little before the sun's going down, it cleared out. It's fairly chilly this morning, finding temperatures, some spots in the upper 30s, but most of us are in the 40s this morning. And this afternoon, with that gusty wind, again, fire danger is up there, so watch out for that. We are sponsored by Valenti Farms. Valenti Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. And we've got the clear skies tonight down into the 50s after being in the 70s this afternoon. Low 70s, 60s for the Cape, the islands, and the higher elevations of Worcester County, by the way. Now, tomorrow, mostly sunny. It's going to feel like summer up near 80 with a gusty wind again. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy, down to the 50s. A few showers develop in the afternoon on Wednesday. We've got a frontal system coming through. It's the divide between two air masses. We have a southerly wind Wednesday, and then it's going to flip around to the northwest Wednesday night with the showers. It's breezy. Thursday, that front's close by. Little wave of low pressure is going to try to develop on it. We'll see how much development that gets as to how much rain we get. So temperatures on Thursday will be cooler after being 65 to 70 on Wednesday. We're going to be basically 58 to 63 on Thursday, and then Friday mostly sunny up near 60. Right now the weekend's looking pretty nice. Mother's Day's looking dry, sunny, mid 60s. Have a great day, everybody.